Meaning of gutted.
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 Gutted. The term gutted refers to the feeling of extreme disappointment, sadness, or devastation resulting from a particular event or situation. It's a description of the emotional state one might experience after a loss or letdown. When someone says they are gutted, it typically means they are deeply upset and may struggle to find words to express the depth of their feelings. The word is often used in contexts such as sports, where a team or athlete may have lost a game or competition.